If I want to find out the total salary given to a particular department, like department wise, what I need to do is we can use what we call as a sum if function, like summing the data on a particular condition. So what is the range on which I want on this thing? This is the range. Since I need to copy this formula for other department as well, I need to freeze this selection by pressing an F4, then followed by which particular, what is the criteria. The criteria over here is this particular department, that is production, for this particular formula, and I want to change it for the rest of the formula, so I will not freeze it, followed by the sum range. So sum range will be from over here. So again, this needs to be fixed for all the formula. I will press an F4 from the keyboard to freeze it and close the bracket and press an enter. So this is the total salary of the production department, and if I copy the formula, I will get the salary of each and every department. So like if we go to the next formula, automatically this criteria will remain same, this criteria will remain same. What is changing is now it has come to the quality assurance in this formula, that is B23, so on and so forth. So this is how we can have the sum of the salary on a particular criteria, that is the name of the department. Now if we have to do the sum of the salary of a particular department and I want to do it on a particular level, say A1 in this case, we can do it for any of the levels. So I will need to use another function which is called as SUMIFS, that is multiple ifs, multiple conditions I can specify. So formula will be SUMIFS. So now the sum range, so here I will give the range. Since I need this to be same for rest of the formula, I will do it at F4 over here. So what is my first criteria? My first criteria is the criteria range is this. So I will make the range, select the range, I will press an F4 to freeze it, and I will, what is the criteria? The criteria should be this, as we have done earlier. Since this needs to be changed, so I will not do an F4 over here. Then again, the criteria 2, the next criteria 2 range will be over here. I will select it. Since I need to freeze it, again I will do F4. Then this particular department, this particular level which we have mentioned over here, I need on this A1 job level, so I will do it like this, and I need to freeze it for the rest of the formula. So again I will do an F4 and press an enter, and then I will close the bracket. So I will get the salary based on the criteria of the production department with job level A1. So like we can see that here the total salary is this thing 3,42,900. Here it is 1,38,000 because production A1 is 138, and there will be no other person in production with level A1. Like over here it is A3, and over here it is A4. So over here it is A4. So like this, like in maintenance the salary is blank 0 because there will be no person in maintenance department with job level as A1. Say maintenance over here is A2, that will not be added, and over here it is A3, it will not be added, and over here again it is A3, so will not be added. So in this way we can do the sum if on multiple selections. So now if I want it on A2, if I do it A2 over here, I will get it like this. The salary will be department wise on this particular level. A2. Similarly, I can do for A3, so on and so forth. Dear friends, please do subscribe my channel, and all those who have subscribed, a big thanks to you. Please share my channel with your friends for such learning videos. And now let us wind up this video, and I would like to thank you again. Please subscribe this video, and if there are any question, please write your comments and let me know on which formula you want an exhaustive learning. Thank you so much.